What time is the day over today? 1 o'clock. Okay, so when you leave here at 1 o'clock, what's traffic going to be like as opposed to if you left here at 4 o'clock? Worse, better, or the same? Better. Okay, so expectation created in our mind right now. That's it, we just did it. We create an expectation. Now when you pull out of here, and there's no traffic and you're good to go, and you make a right or you make a left, whatever it is, you go. Do you, before you do that, say, yes, expectation fulfilled, I'm ecstatic? No, we don't do that. We just go through our lives. But if all of a sudden, as we pulled out, we see an ambulance, we see a police car, we see a car that got hit, somebody did the hitting, and it's right in front of the only exit. Now, what's your expectation like? Are you still okay? Are you okay? She went thumbs down. Okay, I want to get by a raise of hands. We have a bunch of people who are upset at somebody. Just tell me who is, like, there's the ambulance, there's the police car, there's the person that did the hitting, there's the victim that got hit. Who are you upset at? All of them? Okay. Even the person that got hit. Like they could have got hit and flown like 10 feet forward past like the front. The nerve of some people, they're not considerate when they're getting into accidents, okay? How many of you, but here's the thing, when you're upset and when you create that expectation, consider, try on. You are literally taking away your happiness and your joy.